happened, Yaya?
Yaya.
No, no more
Tommy,
chicken.
what happened?
What happened to your tummy?
Adi siya po.
What are you talking about?
Agay ka, agay ka.
Agree ka.
Ano?
Oh no.
What happened? What color is that? What do you like?
What switch?
Trained by the father. Kay may da si Christian. Nakita man ito.
Yay!
Just like Stitch. Bye-bye, Stitch.
Only that?
You like that one?
Oy, ayaw Spider-Man.
San? Hi, San. What do you like? You choose na.
You choose.
That one?
You like that?
Ayan. What's that? Capybara?
Hi.
Hi.
Diretso lang kita.
Am I orange? Are you happy?
Hi.
Raya, say hi. Raya, happy. Raya, what's that? What's that? Are you happy? What is that? What's that, capybara and flamingo? Kang nanay ba yan nahatag na snack? Yay, is it yummy? Say thank you, nanay. Can you say thank you, nanay? Oh, what's that, Yayo?
Open.
Open? Wow, many. You say thank you, Tita Nicole. Can you say thank you, Tita Nicole? You put inside your grocery. Put inside. Good job. You put inside na and then you push the grocery.
Good.
Oh, yeah, a corn. Yeah, look, it's a, this one, a kakadodo. A chicken. You put the chicken inside. How about the water? Put inside. A banana. Water. You push na, you push. Push, good job. Yeah, good job. Push, you push. Thank you, Tita Nicole. Wow! Uy, bangga naman.